I'm James Nelson. I farm here in Audubon County in west central Iowa, and this is the oil drain cart I built to make changing oil a little more enjoyable. We always used to use just 5-gallon buckets, and the oil capacity on a lot of our machinery is more than 5 gallons now. And so we'd have to switch buckets, and then it was always a pain transferring out of the 5-gallon buckets into other barrels, and just handling it was never a fun job. So I came up with the idea to have an air evacuated system where I drain the oil into it, and then I close off the hole that enters the chamber, and then I pressurize it and I pump the oil out. And right now I'm set up to pump it through the wall into a 250-gallon bulk tank. It's almost all constructed out of 1/4-inch flat steel, and I used 4 caster wheels and just some basic plumbing and valves. At this point, I probably wouldn't change anything. I've got it working just how I want. When I initially built it, I did not have the vent. I didn't have the oil chamber vented, and so if I was dumping really hot oil, it would kind of bubble out of there because the air didn't have a way to escape. So I added that, and at this point I'm very happy with how it works. For more about this idea and other farmer inventions, go to agriculture.com/TV.
Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.